Welcome to 62 to Freedom. Just got here. This is build day 117. This is Thursday, and it was like a light sprinkle when I came in, but you know it's good for the concrete. But it wasn't enough, so the sun is already out. You know how much I have love filming into the sun. You photographers don't like it very much, stuff like that, but I don't know. Some good pictures come out of that. I guess you don't want to. It's not the pointing at the sun. It's the taking a picture of somebody when you're facing the sun. You know, the picture don't show up good. That's what I think it is. Because you got your back to the sun. The sun is shining in their face, so you can see their face good, which would be good in some instances, but not good in other instances. Like, look, right now, you can see me real good, not good. Anyway, you know, I brought the snacks and drinks and stuff. I'm switching over to 1.5 liters. It's a lot easier than lugging all them bottles. You know, they still do deposit on the bottles here. So, you know, they got places that refill the bottles. And there's not 8-ounce drinks available in Pepsi anymore. Pepsi's cheaper than Coke here. But neither one of them are always available. Like, they said that never happened before. That any time you could go get a case of Coke or a case of Pepsi. But not now, for some reason. And I believe the refilling companies for Coke and Pepsi are right here in the Philippines. So I don't know. Guess they want to, gas prices are high, so they want to fill their trucks up bigger and travel less to trying to counteract all these people that are trying to get rid of petrol. You know, have something else online. I'm all for that, but have something else online before you start doing it. Don't make families suffer their butts off before you're ready to plug into some electric cars and it's affordable and available everywhere. Don't start raising the price of gas up before you don't even have your ducks in a row. They don't have a replacement. What are y'all, crazy or something? Yeah, because you know, it ain't gonna hurt you people with millions of dollars. You don't care if it's $3 more a gallon. You don't really care. But take your average family. You know, it don't even affect me. You know, I was middle class. But you know, I'm retired now. It's gonna affect me. You know, shit. Because you're on a fixed income. You know, and now retired in the Philippines, so you can't work over here. I mean, you can, but you can't make any money here without owning a large, you know, it's complicated for me to own a large business. Anyway, I don't have the funds to do it after taking on this venture. But this venture is what I wanted. I didn't want no large business. I didn't retire to go to work. I don't know. A lot of people end up going back to work because they didn't really have a plan. Oh, I'll just spend less money. It's not as easy as you think. So you're used to spending, you know, making, you know, $1,100-1,200 a week. That's middle class probably in America. You're used to spending $1,100 or $1,200 a week, and then you got to spend $1,200 a month. That's a big difference. If you're going to retire at 62, it's like $1,200 to $1,500. Mine's like almost $1,300, something like that. That's all it is. But you know, I had a plan to move here, where that's pretty good money. It's real good. So I got a little other one, that place I used to work. You know, it kicks in like $70, so pushes it up to like $13.50. That's not much in America, right? You're gonna be scrambling. you're gonna have to get a part-time job. But I made it happen. I'm glad I did it too. I want to enjoy some stuff before. I don't want to look at the same machine every day and program the same radiuses and angles blended into radiuses. It just all got too easy, and you know, I didn't like it anymore. You know, the old school guys were going out of the shipyard, and then other people were coming out of the white collar and trying to take over the shop. You know, it's not good. They don't relate to the people like the old school guys did. They don't know how to talk, for one thing, so they think, I don't know, they think too much like a monkey could do it or something like that. That's their line of thinking. Oh, a monkey could just push this button. Okay, good. You're gonna have some monkeys push the button one of these days. Brought the bamboo. They broke the rail up there. That first part of the rail, it broke. So the guys are working on it. So just check up on top. You see, we resupplied a cement. We got that, some boards for make forms with. So going in the master bedroom. I'll be anxious to see what they start doing. You know, they still got like half a wall here to pour. They're saving it for a rainy day. And they got part of that wall to pour too. They'll be in the bathroom. Those 3 little windows just in the bathroom. So there's a couple little half walls and stuff to do when it's raining. But they got this whole wall to do. This exterior. That's just to let some air in. Got this whole wall. This room right here is the storage room. And it's going to put a bamboo accent wall right down through here. It's going to be a hallway right here. This is going to be a landing. And then above this is the cars parked. So this landing will have a step going out and down the slope that way to go to the yard from here. Because I realized the design of the house, my architect didn't make a way from, I didn't want to go all the way from upstairs straight down to the yard up there. And I wanted them to have another way to get to the ground besides, the only other ways is to go through the master bedroom and Rain's bedroom to get to the ground floor. Either otherwise climb down some steps from that slope. But what if they came with me in the car? Then that's the way they're going to get down right there. They're going to come down these steps, go down that hallway, go down and out without going in anybody's bedroom. Good morning, Jesus.
Morning, sir.
So, we got a little bit of water this morning. Camp Doggy like it cause it made the concrete cool. You heard your name, didn't you, Camp Doggy? You opened your eye. So it got a little bit damp. I don't see any cracks. You can tell by this texture that it was raining during this section right here. But they had it pretty much covered with tarps. But some rain did hit it, but it was almost, it was setting up already by the time. It's just a little thin piece on top that hadn't set up. Luckily, the concrete was already down. The blue is the water, and the orange is the going to the septic tank, or it's water supply too sometimes. I mean, it's electric. Like, to see the little, it's electric is what I meant to say. It's electric on these little orange ones like that, and this, and on these it's sewage in the big pipes, or a drain. That's a drain. Sewage toilet right there, with that screw. Electric. Nothing. Decoration. And that's electric too right there. Anyway, it's coming along good. They're already working, going to the roof. I'd be glad to get the roof on there. Stop all this tarp stuff. Get the roof on, to be no more tarps. So, that's what's happening on the home front. Run is working on stirrups on this. They're all working on stirrups. That I think JoJo was bending them yesterday. And somebody's down there bending them now, because I hear them chinging down there. Ching ching, ching ching. And that's the bamboo for the support for the beams up here. There'll be some beams up here to support the roof, and that's the bamboo for it. That used to be my mahogany tree. I don't trust it. You let the roots hanging all out of the hill anyway. All right. When this bamboo arrives, I'm gonna pay for it and head on out. see you guys on the flip flop. Look at these coconut. My wife would say yummy on that one. We're gonna climb up there. Gotta have a big stick. All right. That's the 4 eggs that moth lay. Huh. Yep. That's all she laid. I think that's what she had laid when I walked up. I guess she just got nervous and went somewhere else to lay her eggs. I shouldn't have got so close to her. Maybe they'll survive. Maybe a bird or ants will eat them though. They're the same color as the mama one. That orange spot in the middle. That's the color of the moth. Or somebody said it was not a moth, it's a butterfly. So I'm leaving the property, you know, it's like 10 o'clock or something like that. I'm gonna go home and take my wife to San Jose. Gary, I will go take my wife to San Jose to get another motor for her farm equipment.
Yeah.
So
You buy a new engine, sir?
yeah, I have to. She's working on somebody's field.
Yeah.
But now every day they take the motors off and put them on the top down and bring them back home.
Yeah.
Put the motor back on every day.
Yeah.
That's a shame, no? That's a lot of work, man.
Yeah.
Wow, how'd you get that over here?
Yeah, Gerald.
Zero?
Yeah,
he
Gerald.
He picked it up by himself, huh?
Gerald and Michael, sir.
Oh, shit, that thing's heavy, man.
That's easy.
Oh. Hey, man. Yeah, that's gonna be a table.
Yeah.
Later we'll cut it.
Sir.
Yeah. See you later, man. All right, they fixed us. All right. That's a good handrail right there. Oh yeah, I like this one. Shoot. Not gonna go that way anymore. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah. Oh. It's very good. Oh, heck yeah. 2 thumbs up on the new stuff. Two thumbs up. Woo. Just get them money for lunch. They came down here, but we're gonna go to Marriott's buffet right there. All you can eat, but they're closed until Saturday.